The aim is to streamline this bathroom, make it more organized, and also increase the influx of natural light inside. This one has limited space. The folks living here turned the sink top to a dumping ground for beauty care items. Huge boss got clever solutions coming up. Step 1. Quickly dismantle those chunky exterior walls. Design a cabinet with 3 customized aluminum alloy drawers at the bottom and open shelves on top. Have fun sorting and organizing those bathroom necessities. There's ample space for stocking up on hair care, oral care, and skin care products, as well as facial tissues. There's even a space for the weekly Ikebana decorations. Step 2. Time to upgrade the toilet area. Take off the toilet door and demolish the partition wall. Build a marine-grade aluminum double-sided cabinet. Items for grooming are neatly arranged on one side. There's also a power outlet for hair dryers and shavers. On the other side, make a shelf. Place the trash bin below, then a few toilet papers above. A power socket here is a must. Modern dudes can't stay away from their devices. Pop in a nice sliding door with frosted glass. Install exhaust fan overhead. During number 2 sessions, it will soften the blow to your nostrils. Last step, step 3. Make shower shelves. No more bending forward to grab soap and shampoo. Angle the shower flooring with a 5 cm slope. Lay porcelain tiles with slip-resistant finish, then put drainage at the corner. Fix a shower head, then place the frosted glass divider to contain splashes. From chaos to charm, we all have witnessed the stunning transformation of this once disorganized space into a soothing sanctuary. This bathroom is now ready to handle all the realities of life.